Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off back tap on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, you want to go down and tap on Touch, and then swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. Now to turn off Back Tap, make sure you select None for double tap and select None for triple tap. And that is how you can switch it off. To turn it on, all you have to do is assign a function to double tap or triple tap. So in here we can say if I double tap, it will open up the camera. So here you can see if I double tap like this, it will open up the camera. And that is how you can turn on or turn off back tap on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.